Hi everybody, this is Annalise, and this is my little helper today, AJ. He decided he wanted to do a pour with me, and he wants to do on the same colors as his mini wedge race car. So what colors are we going to do today?
We're going to do a blue, main color of the car, orange, white, and black.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be awesome? All right. All right, buddy. So, first thing we're going to do is what?
Put our gloves on.
Put our gloves on. That's right. Are you excited?
Yep.
Are you just happy Mom's going to let you make it a little messy?
Yep. My gloves can't fit.
Well, they might be a little bit big on you, but we'll make it work, okay? So what do you think? We're going to put our layers in this cup. What color do you think we should do first?
Let's go with blue.
Blue first? All right.
Main color of the car.
Okay.
My goodness.
All right, how about I start filling the cup while you put on your gloves, okay?
Glove.
Yeah.
Not
So you
glove.
one down. So we're going to start with our brilliant blue from Artist Loft. What's the next color, pal?
It'll be orange.
Orange. You know, I was kind of thinking maybe we should layer the white and the black in between the blue and the orange. What do you think?
I'm doing my way.
Because the orange and the blue might mix and make kind of funky colors.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. So what's next? How about some white?
Yep.
Okay. Then orange. See how we're layering them in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna make layers. Just like your car, how it's kind of got like stripy layers in it.
Not so much. It's not stripes.
Not stripes?
Not really stripes.
You don't think so?
No.
What about in between? See around the number behind the 1? I see a orange, blue, orange, green, black, white, or not green. You see what I'm seeing?
Yeah. But if we actually had time, Mom, it's okay. Probably if we have time later, we can actually show you what my car looks like.
Sure.
So you can see what it looks like.
Sure.
And if you ever see me, you're like, hey, I know that
skipped.
guy.
Did you see that? See what I did?
Yeah.
I was talking to you and I skipped a layer, but that's all right, right? It works.
Oh my goodness, that looks exactly like my car.
All right. So this is our cup we're gonna pour with, okay? So we'll set it over here. And then let's make the base. Well, we're gonna use this white to make the base, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's put some white on here.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Wait.
Think
Where
you can do that?
Where can I put it?
Use one finger to hold that
Okay.
part back a little bit. Squeeze it right in the middle. Easy, easy. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see what that does. Lots of bubbles in there. So I'm going to use the torch to pop the bubbles, okay?
Torch?
This is not the kid part. This is the adult part. Sorry, pal. When you're old, I still see bubbles. Let's try to spread it out a little bit.
And never actually, if you use that, never touch it after you do it. You can burn your fingers.
You are absolutely right about that. Good tip, H. I think we're going to need some more white paint, so why don't you put a little bit more there? Okay. All right.
Might need the torch again.
I think we're definitely going to need the torch again. You see all those bubbles?
Yep. If you ever see bubbles, you might need a torch. But if you're watching, you might need a parent to help you do this stuff.
Absolutely need a parent to help you do this stuff.
If you ever want to pour colors, ask your parent to do it with you.
I like where your head's at. And I'm sure all the parents out there would agree. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to let you take this and just kind of gently spread it around with your hand. Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. Gently. Don't touch the bottom. Try to just touch the paint part and go all the way to the edges like this. And then to the other edge. Like that.
And you might even need gloves.
You definitely should have gloves to do this part, huh, pal?
Yep.
What do you think? All the way, touch every edge like this.
That kind of looks like glue.
It kind of does look like glue, doesn't it? Kind of looks like school glue. Okay, but go ahead and try to get the. Oh, easy flicking. Okay. All right, let's take this glove off.
You got.
Good thing Mommy's a nurse, huh? She knows how to take gloves off and leave the goo inside the glove, right?
Yeah, now we need 2 more gloves.
You are right. We need 2 more gloves. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
So this is what the paint looks like. Well, I think,
Get it in there a little bit closer.
but it looks super cool. It's it's about the color of my car.
Okay, so we're gonna pour like this, okay?
Okay. I call pouring.
Okay. Gently.
Can I do it?
Easy. Don't dump all at once, otherwise you're gonna
Can
have.
I do it by myself now?
Go ahead. Get some over there too. Can you do that? Pour. In the corners, buddy. Get the corners.
Oh dear, looks like we might need a bit more paint.
I don't think so. I think we're gonna make this work, okay?
Oh wait, I know what we're gonna do.
What do we?
Spread it.
How are we gonna do that?
First we gotta use the torch. Make sure no bubbles. Hey Mom, when you're doing the torch like that, it looks like you're making instantly more bubbles.
As the bubbles pop, it helps the cells open up. Now.
Yeah, but you might want to wait for a few seconds. Then you might want to smooth it around.
Okay, now you're not going to use your hands on top. What we're going to do is we're going to tilt it. So you're going to put your hands underneath the edges. Okay, and then tilt. Yep. Go towards the corners, maybe. That one doesn't have very much paint, so why don't you put somewhere that easy, slow and easy. Just like, yeah.
Oh dear.
That's why you only touch the bottom, like this, okay? Nope, don't use your thumbs. Stick your thumbs out the side, okay? So we're just balancing.
Yeah, I got paint on my arm now.
Yep.
Oh my goodness!
Yep.
Got paint on myself.
It's okay, keep your hands there. Yep. Tilt this way.
See, this is why you need instantly gloves.
Yep. How about this way? Or that way? What do you think?
Yep.
Towards that corner?
Yep. My goodness, my hands are so pink.
Yep, but you're moving them and taking them away, so they're going to be lots of paint. What do you think about that, buddy?
That looks good to me.
Does that look good, or do we need to stretch it out more?
I think
Get more
that's good.
colors? Show more stripes?
Oh dear.
It's age. Don't touch it. Don't touch the top, okay?
I made a oopsie.
No, there's no such thing as an oopsie. It's okay. We'll play with the drippings later. That's a different, that's for a different video, okay? You're making mud there, pal. All right, AJ, what do you think about that?
Looks good.
Do you like how it's laid out just like that?
Yep.
Think we should hit it with the torch one more time?
Yeah.
I think you need to take these gloves off and not touch anything else. All right. All right,
I
see
need
right there?
more
There's a
gloves.
wet wipe. You don't need any more gloves.
Oh yeah.
No, you're done. You are done. If your painting is done, you're done. So, hit it with the torch one more time. See, I've got the torch wrapped in tape. What do you think about that, buddy? Hey, what do you think about the painting?
Let's take a quick look.
What do you think?
That looks good.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Are we all done for today? With that painting?
Yeah. Wait.
Is the race car colors good? Is that how you like it, buddy?
It looks good.
Looks good?
Yep.
All right. I like it.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We're gonna move it over to the drying rack, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Wait, don't pause it yet.
Why?
Because if you actually ever want to see me race, you can always go at I-96 Speedway mini wedges and see what's up. You can see me.
Sounds like a plan. All right? Bye for now.
Bye.